In this video, I will show you how to fix Instagram other stories not showing. Now, the very first thing we're going to do is to go to settings and then search for system and updates. Now we need to go to date and time. You have to make sure that your date, time, and time zone is set automatically. Now, if it's turned off, all you have to do is to set your date and time properly in order for you to access other story on Instagram. Now, let's say that still doesn't work. All you have to do is to go back and go to apps. Click on apps again and search for Instagram. Once you're on Instagram, all you have to do is to click on storage and tap on clear cache. This will enable Instagram to restart its course of program. Now, you just have to make sure that your Instagram is off. And once you restart it, you should be able to see other stories on Instagram just fine. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, please leave a like below and subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon!